Hi, my name's Mike Reed and I'm sitting here in our beautiful basement which we renovated with Senso Design. Back in September of 25, we had a small flood in our basement and we decided to get it remediated but also make some improvements along the way. I ended up interviewing a range of builders and contractors and spoke to 3 or 4 different companies, but it wasn't until I met Gregory from Senso Design that I just felt an immediate trust and a connection. Sometimes, you know, that's the best kind of indicator you can have in terms of whether to work with a company or not. And this project wasn't a small project. We invested heavily in redoing and developing the basement here. It became not only just a remediation of a flood, but we gutted the entire basement and we decided to really kind of bring a vision that we had for it to life. And one of the things that I was, as a customer, was very particular about were details. I said to Gregory at the very beginning of this project that I'm a man who has a strong attention to detail. I hope you can work with me. And he took me on with open arms. And throughout this project, we had a series of things that we wanted to do to really kind of future-proof the basement, from waterproofing the entire basement from floor to ceiling, to redoing the water management systems from sump pumps to sewage ejection. We changed the layout and we improved the size and the scope of the bathroom. We ended up adding a kitchenette that we didn't have before, and a whole series of things to really kind of transform the living space. Not only do we use this for us and our family, a young family of a couple of children and my wife, but we also rent the house on Airbnb when we're not here. And so we wanted to create a space that was beautiful, that was functional, that was not only great for us, but it was also a great way for us to earn additional income as well. It wasn't a small renovation, and it certainly wasn't a small cost, but we couldn't be more thrilled with the outcome and the result. And I just want to say thank you to Gregory and to Senso for everything they've done. It's, for me, quite an extraordinary result, and we couldn't be more thrilled.